Okay, so this is question number 21 from the book Pathfinder, chapter Newton's Laws of Motion, subsection MCQ. A rod is inserted between two identical blocks A and B, placed close to each other on a horizontal floor, which is not frictionless. If the upper end of the rod is pulled horizontally by a gradually increasing force F, which of the blocks will start sliding first? A, B, or both will slide simultaneously. And last option says it is a matter of chance and hence either one may start sliding first. Okay, so see, when you apply a force at its upper end of the rod tends to rotate like this, and in this type of tendency, the rod pushes the block B at this corner and pushes back the block A at this point, at the lowest corner. So if you apply a force F, then on block B a force will be applied at the uppermost corner here, while on block A the force will be applied at the lowermost corner at this point and in this direction. This force will be having an action reaction pair, and similarly this will have an action reaction pair. Suppose this pair of forces F1 while this one is F2. So on the rod we have three forces, F, F1 and F2. And since this is gradually increased, so the rod can be taken as in equilibrium at every instant. F and F2, they are in same direction, F1 in opposite direction, so F plus F2 will be equal to F1. And this simply states that F2 is less than F1. That says F1 is larger in size as compared to F2. So block B will slide first because amount of friction is same, that is mu into normal. These forces are horizontal, so they won't change the normal from ground on these blocks. So the amount of friction is same. So whichever force F1 or F2 is larger, here we have F1 as larger as compared to F2. So block B will slide first.